Your ability to keep your online business alive is actually determined by one thing. It's not about how good your website looks. It's not about how good your customer service is. We've all seen those crappy weight loss related websites selling weird supplements with outrageous claims. Stripe would totally shut them down. You can actually hack your way into selling these crazy products with some minor extra steps with your online business. The fact is, 75% of online businesses rely on Stripe as their sole payment gateway, which means that you're held mercy to this one payment gateway to keep your whole business alive. Hence, you need to look at high-risk payment gateways as a possible backup. And what sets a high-risk payment gateway apart from other payment gateways is that they're often gate-kept and not shared about. It's actually something that you can simply research, sign up, and add to your online business as a backup. So, what is a high-risk payment gateway? A high-risk payment gateway is a financial service provider that offers payment processing solutions tailored for your business operating in industries that are considered as high risk. They're typically experts in managing the specific challenges and risk associated with these different industries. The industries that are typically categorized as high risk are adult entertainment, online gambling, travel agencies, CBD products, pharma, crypto, marketplaces, bona fide financial services, investment advice. These industries often face higher percentage of chargebacks and refunds or legal complexities, making them less attractive to the traditional payment gateways. And why high-risk payment gateways are important? Because it affects your ability to keep your online business running during turbulent times. So think about getting suspended by Stripe, getting huge amounts of chargebacks after a holiday period, or simply getting paused by Stripe for just scaling too fast and processing a large amount of payments in a short period of time. Let's compare them to normal payment gateways. One, there's a difference in acceptance criteria. Normal payment gateways tend to focus on low-risk industries with lower chargeback rates and regulatory scrutiny. Two, the handling of chargebacks and fraudulent orders are done quite differently. High-risk payment providers provide specialized tools to manage and mitigate risk specific to their supported industries. Next is the flexibility in transaction types and volume. Normal payment gateways tend to impose stricter guidelines when it comes to different types of transaction and transaction volume compared to high-risk payment gateways. And diversifying with a high-risk payment gateway is quite simple. Here are the top high-risk payment gateways. 1. WorldPay. 2. 2Checkout. 3. Square. 4. Auth.net, and 5. PayPal. So WorldPay is sort of suitable for people doing high volume and high risk transactions. They have a very robust payment processing system with extensive industry expertise. 2Checkout provides global payment processing with support for reoccurring billing, subscriptions, and multiple payment methods. Very suitable for digital goods and the software industry. 3. Square offers straightforward pricing and integration options suitable for many high-risk industries, known for its point-of-sales solution. 4. Auth.net, known for its robust fraud detection tools and flexible payment options. And 5. PayPal offers broad acceptance, but it may impose holds or account closures for high-risk business. And the problem is that most online businesses completely rely on one payment gateway. Maybe you started a Shopify store many years ago and you just went ahead and stuck with the default Shopify payments option, but you don't really know that there are other options out there, or you haven't even thought about the possibility of that payment gateway being paused, getting suspended, and shutting down your business. But you can take minor steps to strengthen and increase the longevity of your online business. What you can do is you can use a service like OpenPay, in which you can gain access to all of the 5 payment gateways I've recommended you today. And what OpenPay will do is will add an additional layer of protection, giving you smart payment routing options, metric analysis, and a bunch of other useful tools. This will actually help you make more money, help you reduce chargebacks, and not only that, but increase the chances of you winning against chargebacks. You can simply start by signing up for one of those payment gateways, letting the account sit in the background so you actually don't have to change what is currently working or do anything different. But by having a payment gateway that you got accepted for in your back pocket, you'll be way more confident when it comes to building your online business.